There's a little bit of a mismatch between how bad sentiment is and how not so bad markets are, but it's sort of irrelevant because these sentiment readings that we're seeing do tend to line up with, at the very least, short-term rallies, a relief rally, short covering rally, whatever you want to call it. Generally, a durable, long-lasting bottom is formed when sentiment gets really washed out and there's no one left to sell. I don't know if we're exactly at that level, but some of the readings are indicating that we're at that level. So is it a good time to buy? I think more than anything, it's just not a great time to sell. And I think similarly, or conversely, sentiment has gotten overly enthusiastic on energy and oil-related stocks. Is there more upside? It's possible. But I think, there's just that disparity, that unevenness in terms of comparing one sector to another has probably reached an extreme. And I think also the reason sentiment maybe is so bad when markets aren't that bad is because people, the average investor is overloaded with some of the stocks that have been hot for the last few years, and those are the ones that have taken the brunt of the selling. So I think the average investor is probably hurting more than somebody who's just 100% exposed to the S&P and some bonds, for instance.